Hello, welcome to Back to School Night at Glasgow Middle School. My name is Laura Kearns. If you need any of the slides translated, you can just follow the directions on the screen. Again, my name is Laura Kearns and I teach Math 6 at Glasgow. My co-teacher's name is Miss Cargill. So your student has two math teachers this year. A little bit about myself. I'm originally from upstate New York. I moved down to Virginia about 15 years ago, and I've been teaching in Fairfax County ever since. I taught for 10 years in elementary school, and I switched to Glasgow about 4 years ago, and I love it here. In my free time, I like to read and root on my favorite baseball team, the New York Yankees. I also like to go for runs and spend time with my family. I believe that students can learn best when they collaborate with their peers, when they receive small group instruction, and when they're engaged and excited about their learning. To be successful in math this year, I believe that students do best when they come to class every time, they listen and they participate during class. They ask questions when they don't understand and advocate for themselves, and also when they're organized and self-motivated. These are the units that we're going to be learning in math this year. We're currently working on Unit 1, which is ratios and fraction, decimals, and percents. Some of the units are building blocks from 4th and 5th grade, but some of them are brand new in 6th grade and it can get challenging. So encourage your student to come to class every day and also do the asynchronous work. Some of the assessments that we give in math are called formative assessments. These are short check-in assessments that let us know how students are doing in the middle of units, usually called exit tickets. We also give something called summative assessments. These are end of the unit larger tests. As well, we check their asynchronous work each week as a homework grade to make sure that they are completing their independent work. Ms. Cargill and I are available in many ways. You can email us at any time. We also have office hours twice a week. We have a Google Classroom for each of our classes, and that is where the students will find their work, as well as the grid that has their asynchronous work for the week. So that is the place the students should go to find their work. One way that you can support your student this year is to ask them what they're learning in class, what their assignment is for the week. You can also ask them to check their grades in SIS. Those grades are updated constantly. And then make sure that they did everything they need to for the week. Please make sure that your students have paper and pencil available when they're, especially for math class, that we need to work out math problems. We also use a calculator many times. If they don't have one, they can use the calculator on their computer. And I'm excited for a great year ahead. We have already had a great few weeks. We've got to meet some amazing students, and I think it's only going to get better from here. So thank you for joining. Have a great night.